Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a world where innovation meets ingenuity with some of the most mind-blowing inventions and tools you've ever seen. From high-tech robots to personal flying machines, these creations push the boundaries of what's possible. So buckle up and get ready for an epic journey through the latest and greatest tech that will leave you speechless. Let's jump right in. First up, meet the SwinCar. This all-terrain electric vehicle moves like a spider, climbing hills and gliding over rough terrain with ease. Each wheel operates independently, allowing it to tilt and adapt to uneven surfaces, providing an incredibly smooth ride. Whether you're exploring the mountains or just taking a scenic drive, the SwinCar redefines off-road driving. Get ready to experience nature in a way you've never imagined. Next, we have SOMATIC, a fully autonomous commercial cleaning robot designed to handle the dirtiest jobs. This robot uses advanced AI and sensors to clean bathrooms, floors, and more with surgical precision. It's like having a self-cleaning building. SOMATIC operates independently, recharges itself, and even refills its cleaning supplies automatically. Commercial cleaning just got a serious upgrade. Need a portable ride? The Smacircle S1 is the world's most compact and foldable e-bike, perfect for urban commuting. Weighing only 19 pounds, it can fit in a backpack and unfolds in seconds. With a top speed of 12 miles per hour, it's perfect for city travel. Plus, its carbon fiber frame makes it not only lightweight, but incredibly durable. Say goodbye to parking problems and hello to effortless mobility. Ever dreamed of exploring the ocean depths? The NEMO VR submarine lets you dive 100 meters underwater in a real two-person sub. It's like having your own personal underwater spaceship. Experience breathtaking marine life and underwater landscapes from the comfort of your seat. With NEMO, the mysteries of the ocean are just a Clearing snow has never been easier with the Snow Joe SJ618E. This powerful 13-amp electric snow blower throws up to 580 pounds of snow per minute, tackling mid-sized driveways and walkways effortlessly. Its durable, two-blade rotor clears an 18-inch path in one go, combining the power of gas with the convenience of electricity. Don't blow it, throw it! Say goodbye to pesky garden invaders with the Aqua YardGuard. This smart sprinkler detects movement and sprays a harmless jet of water to keep animals away from your precious plants. With 120 degrees motion detection, it protects your garden both day and night. It's eco-friendly, effective, and keeps your yard looking pristine. Meet the Starship Robots, the future of delivery. These autonomous robots are changing the game in last-mile delivery, transporting groceries, packages, and food right to your doorstep. They use advanced navigation systems and AI to travel on sidewalks, avoid obstacles, and safely reach their destination. With zero emissions, Starship robots are as eco-friendly as they are innovative. Give your outdoor space a fresh look with the Sun Joe Cordless Patio Cleaner. This powerful, cordless scrubber removes dirt, moss, and grime with ease. Powered by a 24-volt battery, it delivers a deep clean without the hassle of cords or gas. Perfect for patios, pavers, and other outdoor surfaces. Renew your space effortlessly. Introducing WasteShark, the aquatic robot that keeps our waters clean. This autonomous surface vehicle removes trash, algae, and other debris from canals, harbors, and waterways, collecting up to 1,000 pounds of waste per day. It's a game changer in the fight against water pollution, helping to keep our oceans and rivers pristine. Enhancing road safety with smart technology, Traffic Tech's automatic barriers are designed to control vehicle access quickly and efficiently. Integrated with EcoStruxure technology, these barriers improve traffic flow while ensuring the highest safety standards. It's a brilliant solution to modern road management. The NXTWEAR S is a set of wearable display glasses that transform everyday experiences with dual 1080 pixels micro OLED displays. These glasses create a personal and immersive viewing environment that can be used for gaming, streaming, or working on the go. They're compatible with various devices including smartphones, tablets, and gaming consoles. Features: dual 1080 pixels micro OLED displays for a private viewing experience. Compatible with multiple platforms and devices. Lightweight and comfortable design. Perfect for gaming, streaming, and personal workspaces. The Litheli eWagon W1 Pro is the world's first pure electric utility wagon powered by a power bank. This versatile wagon is perfect for hauling items in gardens, on construction sites, or during outdoor adventures. Its powerful electric motor provides easy maneuverability, and the removable power bank makes recharging simple and convenient. Features: powered by a detachable power bank for easy recharging. All-terrain wheels for smooth movement. Large cargo space for carrying heavy loads. Quiet and eco-friendly operation. The Deepfield weeding robot uses advanced robotics to identify and remove weeds from agricultural fields, reducing the need for herbicides. It uses AI and machine vision to distinguish between crops and weeds, providing precise weeding that protects valuable plants while enhancing crop yield. Features: AI-driven technology for accurate weed identification. Reduces herbicide use, promoting eco-friendly farming. Increases crop yield with precise weeding. Operates autonomously in various agricultural settings. The TinyMaker 3D printer is a compact, open-source printer designed for beginners and experts alike. With its easy-to-use interface and high print quality, the TinyMaker is perfect for creating intricate models, prototypes, and everyday items. Its small footprint makes it ideal for home use or on-the-go projects. Features: open-source design for customization and upgrades. Compact and portable for use anywhere. High precision and quality printing. User-friendly setup and operation. The Jetson ONE is a personal all-electric vertical takeoff and landing aircraft designed for recreational flying. This ultralight aircraft is intuitive, with a flight control system that allows users to experience the thrill of flying without requiring a pilot's license. Features: ultralight design for easy operation. All-electric with zero emissions. Intuitive flight controls for recreational flying. Safe and secure with multiple built-in safety features. The EcoFlow Blade robotic lawnmower offers an effortless and eco-friendly mowing experience. With its advanced navigation system and obstacle detection, Blade mows your lawn precisely and efficiently. The virtual boundary feature allows you to define mowing areas without physical wires. Features: virtual mowing boundary for customizable areas, intelligent navigation with obstacle avoidance, quiet, emission-free operation. Advanced sensors ensure thorough mowing. The anti-sleep alarm StopSleep is a compact device that detects the onset of drowsiness and loss of concentration, helping drivers and operators stay awake and alert. It vibrates and sounds an alarm when it detects fatigue, enhancing safety and preventing accidents. Features: detects drowsiness and loss of concentration, provides immediate alerts through vibration and sound, enhances safety for drivers and operators. Compact and easy to wear. The dual-arm humanoid robot from UGOT Robotics is designed for service-related tasks, including delivery, elder care, and room disinfection. Its advanced AI and robotics technology allow it to perform multiple tasks autonomously, making it ideal for various service industries. Features: dual arms for multitasking capabilities, performs delivery, elder care, and disinfection. AI-driven operation for autonomous tasks, ideal for hospitals, homes, and service environments. The EcoFlow Power Hat is a wearable solar power source that charges your devices on the go. It captures solar energy from all angles and is water and dust resistant, making it perfect for outdoor adventures. It's foldable and available in 2 sizes to fit any user comfortably. Features: solar-powered hat that charges devices, water and dust resistant for outdoor use, foldable design for easy storage, available in multiple sizes,